Hello, little adventurers, and welcome back to our story corner. Today, we're visiting a sunny farm where a tiny chick is having a big day. One bright morning, a little chick was pecking happily for seeds when suddenly, ACHOO! The ground shook. "Oh my!" chirped the chick, diving under a leaf. "That must be a giant thunderclap." He trembled, waiting for the rain. But the sun kept shining. Peeking out, he saw it wasn't a storm cloud at all. It was the big, friendly cow standing in a field of flowers with another giant orchard. The chick realized the cow wasn't scary thunder. She was just sneezing from all the pollen. Her nose was tickly and she looked uncomfortable. So the brave little chick waddled over to the water trough, filled his tiny beak, and brought the cow a drink. The cow smiled, feeling much better. It shows us that when we understand how others feel, we can be helpful friends instead of being afraid. Thanks for joining our story. If you loved it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more adventures. See you next time.